Hello, beautiful people. Once again, you are welcome to Ask MLS Wenge's YouTube channel. To all my returning subscribers, I'd like to say a big thank you and I love you. And if this is your first time stopping by, you are welcome as well. So here on this channel, I basically post very interesting videos on how to live happy and healthy lives. So if this is what you love, ensure that you like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we post our amazing videos. Oh, do you know that cucumbers are also aphrodisiac? Oh yes, you heard me right, cucumbers. According to the Produce for Better Health Foundation, cucumbers are aphrodisiac. The vitamin C and manganese in these veggies are known for increasing both energy and sex drive. And not just that, the vitamin C increases your blood flow and circulation, and this can in turn help men with erectile dysfunction. So ensure that you watch this video to the end to know more health benefit of cucumber.